Hello and welcome to a new video. This is going to be a kind of video I wanted to make for a while, and it's basically entitled Gear Does Not Matter from my perspective, because you can look at the gear I have, which is relatively expensive for someone who doesn't use YouTube as a source of income and just uses it for, you know, just fun, making videos, you know, just the usual thing. But looking, who I would be obviously interested in earning money off YouTube, but I doubt that's ever going to happen. And you know, you have to sit down and consider what your financial situation is, and should you be plugging all this money into it. So if on a breakdown of what I've got on my desk right now, I mean, I've just bought a PS5. That was just for me, but I don't have a it's not arrived yet, so I'm going to break down what I've got. So starting off with the audio interface, I've got a Go XLR, so you know I can literally
muck about
with my anything I want to do.
You know, I can do this.
I can do this.
I can do this as well.
And I can also segregate the audio. I can listen to different things that have audio, have music playing in the background while being able to listen to chat somewhere else. So that's handy for me. For YouTube, it's okay. It's good for it's better for streaming. That's a streaming device, but it's handy for YouTube as well. For, you know, you can do these like voice commands like subscribe to me. So you know, you can do that, and you can make it like just subscribe to me. It's handy, but is it essential? No. Big thing I'm talking into here, the microphone, the Shure SM7B, the original version, not the USB version. That's like £300 or £400. Do you need that? No. The camera I've got sitting on top of my camera I'm using just now, the Canon 90D. I've got the Rode shotgun mic. Again, do you need that? No. I would definitely recommend getting a microphone for your cameras, because the audio quality on the inbuilt mics is not great. But then again, you can just use your phone. I've got 3 ACOG monitors, all 144 Hz to support each other. One is like massive widescreen, and the other one, this one here is bigger than the one over there. That is more designed towards my Twitch streams, but I use DaVinci Resolve, and I went and bought the actual program, so I can have basically a full picture up here of what I'm working on and all the editing things happening on my main screen there. And yet again, do you need that? No. You could just go and find yourself a nice cheap or free editing software. Let's do it. Then we can break down the computer. I mean, it's now probably a wee bit outdated. I mean, I've got an i7 700K processor. It's only 4 cores, so now we're getting stuff with 8 cores and stuff like that, and I would need to upgrade if I want to do that. I do have a 3080 Ti, which if you look back in the videos, I demonstrate when I got that, and that was my choice. I wanted that. I didn't do this to earn money off, but I've also got the DaVinci Resolve editing speed editor thing that came with the DaVinci Resolve thing, and I believe I brought that up in a video. I just my HyperX and gaming mouse, and I can't remember my gaming mouse. I think it's Seagull or something like that. It's just got the buttons on the side I like, and the HyperX keyboard, mechanical keyboard. And I've got 2 sets of these Audio Technica headphones, and I only have the 2 sets because the rabbits ate through one of them. So, but they're all you know, you can take off the cable on that, and you realize this is my second set. First set. So overall, I mean, if you have the money and you want to spend your money on this equipment, it makes you happy, go for it. But from my perspective of being a YouTuber, you know, having the expensive gear hasn't really helped me. I've now got 93 subs, you know, so just because I have all this expensive equipment, and you know, it is not helping me at all, and maybe making my videos a bit more engaging I mean, I've also got 2 bloody drones. The Mini 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro. You know, I don't have the Mavic 3, even if I had the money to waste. You know, I would buy the Mavic 3, but I don't, and I don't see myself getting it in the future. But yeah, I would advise people looking to get into this game of focusing more what you're producing, and rather than the money that you're spending, you know, the money you're spending on it, because some kid with a decent phone can make a 10 times more better video than me, and that's fact, and that's not going to change anything. I may have the more expensive equipment, but I have a lot more shit content than someone else. This is another thing with the GoXLR. You can just, so instead of saying shit, you can just go content, you know, and make it more family friendly, I guess. So it's all that. You can also like do that, mute yourself and that. This is not a review of the GoXLR. It's just I forgot to bring the up, you know. There we go. But yeah, I think there's a space where you don't want really cheap stuff, you know, but you also don't want to have the high-end stuff when you're a very small YouTuber. But I take it back. No, I like spending money on tech, but I can afford this stuff. I mean, I bought half of this stuff. I got some for birthdays, you know. The Canon 90D I got for my birthday. The 30 Ti I bought myself. That was like £1,500, you know. But you know, it's what you want to do, but don't be forced to buy gear to think you're going to get millions of subscribers, because that's not the case. It's content, but with a wee bit somewhat decent, you know, camera and microphone, and you get away with it. Most cameras are recording in 8K now on your phones, so you know you've got no excuse. It's not back in the old days when I was growing up. So yeah, get over there, get creating, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you did like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will be getting back to you with more reviews and more video content. Have a nice weekend, have a nice day, have a nice week, whatever you're doing when you watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to me, please.